You're welcome. I want to give some food to my new baby. Uh, are you ready to do? Let's do together. So these eggs, I boil it in water, hot water, for 5 minutes. It is be ready. So I want to give it to my babies. Look at. I want to help. Actually, I want to help the mom bird or the canary mom, the mom for the food. So I will cook it like that, and I will tell him, "Come on to eat." I hope to see. Yeah, we see. Bravo. Slowly, slowly, we can do. A little by little, we can do. I hope do you see? I try. Oh. Good job, baby. It was fantastic to do that with your baby. Actually, with new baby. I like it so much to help the mom in her work. So mm. Okay, come on. In the first days was so hard because the baby can't move so much on, you know, and small babies anyway, and it's needed help. That is not obligatory to help new birds, but it's how I can say it's actually them need help, because if the mom can't do at for four or for three add small bears, actually them can do, but I want to help. If I see some bird or the little birds them didn't eat very well, so I have to do with my hands. So and the problem I have one, he's not get up to his mom to give him food. This one, oh, this one is, I don't know, has some problems about food. His mom didn't give him the food because he's small, and the others bigger, his brothers, the big brothers, them didn't give him or give him space to take the food from the mouth of his mom. So I don't know if you see. Bravo. Oh, bravo. 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 So I try to do what the best I can do. I think it's okay now for now. So I will back him to the birds, to the place, to his place, and this was perfect. Okay, I will continue along.